In the previous video, we solved 10 problems on this kind of equation. Now we will solve 10 more problems on this kind of equation. Now the 11th problem says dy dx equals to 4x plus 6y plus 5 over thrice y plus twice x plus 4. Now we can write this equation as 2 into twice x plus thrice y plus 5 by twice x plus thrice y plus 4. Now here we see twice x plus thrice y is a function of xy and it is present in both numerator and in denominator. So we will assume twice x plus thrice y as v. Okay. Now dv dx should be 2 plus 3 dy dx. So 3 dy dx equals to dv dx minus 2 and dy dx equals to 1/3 dv dx minus 2. Okay. Replacing this information in the star equation, we get dy dx should be 1/3 dv dx minus 2 equals to 2 twice x plus thrice y is v by v plus 4. Okay. Now dv dx minus 2 equals to 3 into twice v plus 5. Okay. So dv dx equals to 3 twice v plus 5 by v plus 4 plus 2. So dv dx equals to 6v plus 15 plus 2v plus 8 by v plus 4. Okay. So dv dx is 8v plus 23 by v plus 4. Okay. Now we'll get v plus 4 by 8v plus 23 dv equals to dx. Okay. We'll integrate both the side. Okay. Okay. Now for this integration we will apply partial fraction method because this fraction is improper fraction. Okay. So in improper fraction we will decompose the numerator with respect to denominator directly. So we will take 8v plus 23 we should balance v, so we have to take 1 by 8. Okay. Now 23 by 8 should be balanced, so we will take minus minus 23 by 8 and then plus 4. Okay, 8v plus 23. Okay, now we'll get 1 by 8 minus in fact plus 4 minus 23 by 8 by 8v plus 23 dv equals to integration dx. Okay, 1 by 8 plus 32 minus 23 in fact by 8v plus 23. Okay, so we will get 1 by 8 plus 9 by 8, 8v plus 23. Okay, clear? Now integrating this part we will get integrating this part we will get 1 by 8 v plus 9 by 8 ln 8v plus 23. Here the coefficient of v is 8, so we will take 1 by 8 equals to x plus c. Okay, okay, now we will replace v as twice x plus thrice y. So we will replace v, twice x plus thrice y, 9 by 64 ln 8 twice x plus thrice y plus 23 equals to x plus c. So 1 by 4x plus 3 by 8y plus 9 by 64 ln 16x plus 16x plus 24y plus 23, okay, equals to x plus c. So here we can simplify these terms, so we can get 3 by 8 y plus 9 by 64 ln 16x plus 24y plus 23 equals to x minus x by 4. X minus x by 4 should be thrice x by 4 plus c. We will multiply both sides by 64. So we will get 24y 9 ln 16x plus 24y plus 23 equals to 48x plus 64c, and 64c is the new constant. So this is the solution. Okay, we can simplify still we can simplify this. 24y plus 23 equals to 48x plus k. We will divide both sides by 3. So 8y plus 3 ln 16x plus 24y plus 23 equals to 16x plus k by 3. K by 3 should be another constant. We can write it as c. Okay, so this is the ultimate modified solution. Okay, now I'll go to the problem 12. The problem 12 says dy dx equals to x minus y plus 3 by twice x minus twice y plus 5. We can write this equation as 2 into x minus y plus 5 in the denominator. Okay, now we can see that x minus y function is present in both numerator and denominator. So we will take x minus y as v. So dv dx equals to 1 minus dy dx. dy dx equals to 1 minus dv dx. Okay, now replacing this information into this star equation, we get 1 minus dv dx equals to v plus 3 by 2v minus 5. Okay, in fact not minus, it is plus. Now dv dx equals to 1 minus v plus 3 by 2v plus 5. So dv dx equals to 2v plus 5 minus v minus 3. dv dx equals to v plus 2 by 2v plus 5. Okay, now we are getting from this equation 2v plus 5 by v plus 2 dv equals to dx. Okay, we'll integrate both the side. Okay, here is the improper fraction. We should decompose numerator with respect to denominator directly. So v plus 2, but we will balance 2v, so we will multiply 2. 4 is produced, so we will add plus 1. We will add plus 1, so 4 plus 1 5 is balanced. Okay, now we are getting, by dividing v plus 2 is 2 plus 1 by v plus 2. Okay, so 2v plus ln v plus 2 equals to x plus c. We took x minus y as v, so we should replace v as x minus y. Okay, twice x minus twice y plus ln x minus y plus 2 equals to x plus c. Twice x and x we can calculate, so x minus twice y plus ln x minus y plus 2 equals to c. So this is the solution. Okay, now we'll go to the problem number 13. This problem says twice x plus y plus 1 dx plus 4x plus twice y minus 1 dy equal to 0. We can write this equation as twice x plus y plus 1 dx equals to minus 4x plus twice y minus 1 dy. Okay, now dy dx equals to minus twice x plus y plus 1 by 4x plus twice y minus 1. Now we can write dy dx equals to minus twice x plus y plus 1 by 2 into twice x plus y minus 1. The function twice x plus y, which is a function of xy, is present both in numerator and denominator. So let us take twice x plus y as v. So dv dx equals to 2 plus dy dx. So dy dx equals to dv dx minus 2. applying this information applying to star equation, we can say that dy dx should be dv dx minus 2 minus v plus 1 by 2v minus 1. So dv dx equals to minus v plus 1 by 2v minus 1 plus 2. So dv dx equals to 2v minus 1 minus v minus 1 plus 4v minus 2. So dv dx should be 3v minus 3 by 2v minus 1. Now we can write from this situation 2v minus 1 by thrice v minus 3 dv equals to dx. We'll integrate both the side. 2v minus 1 3v minus 1 dv integration dx. Okay. Now we can write okay, here the fraction is improper fraction. We should decompose numerator with respect to denominator directly. So we can write 1/3 v minus 1. We should balance twice v, so we will multiply 2. Here produces minus 2, but here present only minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 should be here to balance minus 1. Okay. Now separating with v minus 1, separating with dividing v minus 1, we can get 2 plus 1 by v minus 1 dv integration dx. So we get 1/3 2v plus ln v minus 1 equals to x plus c. So 2v plus ln v minus 1 equals to thrice x plus thrice c. Now we'll replace v. We took twice x plus y as v, so v should be twice x plus y. Okay, twice x plus y. Okay. Now we get 4x plus 2y plus ln twice x plus y plus 1. Sorry, plus 1 not, it is minus 1 equals to thrice x plus thrice c. 4x and thrice x, we can simplify. X plus twice y plus ln twice x plus y minus 1 equals to thrice c. Thrice c should be written as new constant k. So this is the solution. X plus twice y plus ln twice x plus y minus 1 equals to constant. Now we'll go to the problem 14. Here problem 14 says dy dx equals to x plus y plus 1 by x plus y minus 1. The function x plus y appears in both numerator and denominator. So we should take x plus y as v. So dv dx equals to 1 plus dy dx. So dy dx should be dv dx minus 1. Okay. Now we will replace this information into star equation. Replacing in the star equation, we get dy dx should be dv dx minus 1. Okay, x plus y as v. Now we get dv dx equals to v plus 1 by v minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so dv dx equals to v plus 1 plus v minus 1. 1 is out, so 2v by v minus 1 dv dx equals to. Okay, now we get v minus 1 by 2v dv equals to dx. We'll integrate both the side. V minus 1 by 2v half 1 minus 1 by v. Okay, now we are getting from this equation, half v minus ln v equals to x plus c. So v minus ln v equals to twice x plus twice c. V should be x plus y minus ln x plus y equals to twice x plus twice c. Subtracting x from twice x, we get y minus ln x plus y equals to x plus twice c. Twice c should be a new constant. Okay, now this is the solution. Now we are going to the problem 15. Here the problem says x plus y minus 1 dy equals to x plus y dx. We can write this equation as dy dx equals to x plus y by x plus y minus 1. Here the function x plus y is present in both numerator and in denominator. So we will take x plus y as v. Okay, so dv dx equals to 1 plus dy dx, and dy dx should be dv dx minus 1, dv dx minus 1. Okay, now in this star equation we will put this information. Okay, by replacing this information in star equation, we get dy dx should be dv dx minus 1 equals to v by v minus 1. Okay, so dv dx equals to v by v minus 1 plus 1, dv dx v minus 1 v plus v minus 1. So we get 2v minus 1 by v minus 1. Now from this equation we can write v minus 1 by 2v minus 1 dv equals to dx. We will integrate both the side. So v minus 1 by 2v minus 1 dv equals to integration dx. Okay, here we get an improper fraction, so we should decompose numerator with respect to denominator directly. So we will take 2v minus 1. Now here v is present, but we are taking 2v, so we should balance this by multiplying half. But what is about minus 1? This is minus half, so we have to take minus half. So minus half and minus half will produce -1. Okay. Now we will divide by twice -1. We get half minus 1 by 2, 2v minus 1 dv equals to integration dx. So we get half v minus half ln 2v minus 1, but the coefficient of v is 2, so we will take half, okay, equals to x plus c. Now we will multiply with 4. So multiplying with 4, we get 2v minus ln 2v minus 1 equals to 4x plus 4c. Okay, we should replace v. We took v as x plus y, so v should be x plus y, okay, twice x plus twice y plus minus ln twice x plus twice y minus 1 equals to 4x plus 4c. Okay, by subtracting twice x from 4x, we should write twice y minus ln twice x plus twice y minus 1 equals to twice x plus, we can write 4c as new constant k. Okay, this is the solution. Now we are going to the problem 16. Problem says dy dx equals to sin x plus y plus cos x plus y. Here x plus y is a function of xy and it is present in both sine part and cos part. So we should take x plus y as v. So dv dx should be 1 plus dy dx. So dy dx equals to dv dx minus 1. Okay. In the instead equation, we can replace this information by putting this information into instead equation. We get dy dx as dv dx minus 1 equals to sin v plus cos v. Okay, clear? Now we are getting dv dx equals to 1 plus sin v plus cos v. So dv by 1 plus sin v plus cos v equals to dx. Okay. Now we will integrate on both the sides. Dv by 1 plus sin v plus cos v equals to integration dx. Sin v, we will write sin v as 2 tan v by 1 plus 2 tan v by 2, in fact 2 tan v by 2 by 1 plus tan square v by 2, and cos v as 1 minus tan square v by 2 by 1 plus tan square v by 2. Okay. Okay. Now from this equation we can write 1 plus tan square v by 2, 1 plus tan square v by 2 plus 2 tan v by 2 plus 1 minus tan square v by 2. Okay. Okay. Now we can write 1 plus tan square v by 2. We can write 1 plus tan square v by 2 in numerator and tan square v by 2 is out. So 1 plus 2, in fact 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 tan v by 2 is there. 1 plus tan square v by 2 is sec square v by 2. Half is out from this denominator. 1 plus tan v by 2. Okay. Now derivative of 1 plus tan v by 2 is sec square v by 2 into half. So we will take half sec square v by 2, 1 plus tan v by 2, and we can say the derivative of full denominator is fully the numerator, because 1 plus tan v by 2, derivative of 1 plus tan v by 2 is sec square v by 2 into half. So half sec square v by 2 is the derivative of 1 plus tan v by 2. So we can write the integral as ln 1 plus tan v by 2. Okay, and this portion is x plus c. We will write v as x plus y. So x plus y is here. This is the solution. This is the solution. Okay. Now we are going to the problem 17. Here the problem says 2ix plus 2y plus 3 dy minus x plus y plus 1 dx equal to 0. We can write this equation as 2ix plus 2y plus 3 dy equals to x plus y plus 1 dx. So dy dx should be x plus y plus 1 by 2ix plus 2y plus 3 dy dx equals to x plus y plus 1 by 2x plus y plus 3. Here the function x plus y is present in both in numerator and in denominator. So we should take x plus y as v. So dv dx equals to 1 plus dy dx. So we will get dy dx equals to dv dx minus 1. Okay. Now we will replace this information into this star equation. By replacing we get dy dx should be dv dx minus 1 equals to v plus 1 by 2v plus 3. So dv dx equals to b plus 1 by 2v plus 3 plus 1. So dv dx equals to 2v plus 3 v plus 1 plus 2v plus 3. So dv dx equals to thrice b plus 4 by 2v plus 3. Okay. Now from this equation we can write we can write 2v plus 3 by thrice b plus 4 dv equals to dx. Okay. So we will integrate both the side. Here the fraction is improper fraction, so we should decompose numerator with respect to denominator directly. So thrice b plus 4 we will take. We should balance twice v, so we will take 2 by 3. Now 8 by 3 will be extra, so we will subtract 8 by 3 and plus 3 is there, so we will take plus 3. Now this is balanced. Okay, so we can get 2/3 thrice b plus 4 plus 9 minus 8 by 3, okay, equals to integration dx. So 2/3 thrice b plus 4 plus 1/3 by thrice b plus 4. Okay, now dividing by 3b plus 4, we can get 2/3 plus 1/3 3b plus 4 integrate. Okay, now we will get from this equation we will get 2/3 v plus 1/3 ln 3b plus 4. The coefficient of v is 3, so we should take 1 by 3 equals to x plus c. Okay, now we should replace v as x plus y. So x plus y okay, multiplying both the side with 9, we get 6x plus y ln thrice x plus thrice y plus 4 equals to 9x plus 9c. 6x plus 6y plus ln thrice x plus thrice y plus 4 equals to 9x plus 9c. Subtracting 6x from 9x, we get thrice x in right hand side, and we can write 9c as new constant k. So this is the solution. Now we'll go to the problem 18. This problem says 4x plus 6y plus 5 by thrice y plus twice x plus 4 into dy dx equals to 1. So we can write dy dx equals to thrice y plus twice x plus 4 by 4x plus 6y plus 5. Now twice x plus thrice y plus 4 we can write, and 2 into twice x plus thrice y plus 5. Okay, here we see twice x plus thrice y function is present in both numerator and in denominator. Okay, so we can take twice x plus thrice y as v. So dv dx should be 2 plus 3 dy dx should be dv dx minus 2 1/3. Okay, by replacing this information into star equation, we get dy dx should be 1/3 dv dx minus 2 equals to v plus 4 by 2v plus 5. Okay, now dv dx minus 2 equals to 3v plus 12 by 2v plus 5. So dv dx equals to 3v plus 12 by 2v plus 5 plus 2. So dv dx equals to 12b plus 5, 3b plus 12 plus 4b plus 10. Okay, okay. Now we can write from this equation is dv dx equals to 3b and 4b would be 7b plus 22 by 2b plus 5, 2b plus 5. Okay, now we get 2b plus 5 by 7b plus 22 dv equals to dx. We integrate both the side. 2b plus 5 by 7b plus 22 dv equals to integration dx. Okay, now this fraction is improper fraction, so we should decompose numerator with respect to denominator directly. Okay, so we will take 7b plus 22. First we will balance 2b, so we should take 2 by 7. Here produces 44 by 7, so we will subtract 44 by 7, and here present 5, so we will take plus 5. So all are balanced. Now two by 7, 7b plus 22 plus 35, 35 minus 44 by 7. Okay, 2 by 7, 7b plus 22 plus, in fact minus 9 by 7 by 7b plus 22. Okay, now we are getting from this equation is 2 by 7 minus 9 by 7, 7b plus 22. Okay, okay. So 2 by 7 v minus 9 by 7 ln 7v plus 22. The coefficient of v is 7, so we should write 1 by 7 equals to x plus c by multiplying with 7 square. 7 square we get 14v minus 9 ln 7v plus 22 equals to 49x plus 49c. We should write v as twice x plus 3 or thrice y, because we took twice x plus thrice y as v. So twice x plus thrice y as v, 9 ln 7 twice x plus thrice y plus 22 equals to 49x plus 49c. Okay, 28x 42y minus 9 ln 14x plus 21y plus 22 equals to 49x plus 49c. We should subtract 28x from 49x. So we can get we can get 21x plus 49c. We can write 49c as new constant k. So this is the solution. Okay. Now I'll go to the problem 19. This problem says dy dx equals to cosec x plus y. So here is the function x plus y. We should take this function as v. So dv dx equals to 1 plus dy dx. So dy dx equals to dv dx minus 1. Okay. We can replace this information into star equation. By replacing, we get dy dx should be dv dx minus 1 equals to cosec v. Okay. So dv dx should be 1 plus cosec v. Okay. So dv by 1 plus cosec v equals to dx. We integrate both the side. So dv 1 plus cosec v equals to integration dx. dv 1 plus 1 by sine v. Okay. Clear? Now from this equation we get sine v plus 1 sine v. Okay. Here is the fraction. It is an improper fraction because here degree of sine is 1 and degree of sine is 1. So numerator degree and denominator degree is equal. So this fraction is improper by considering sine v. We will decompose numerator with denominator directly. Sine v plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Dividing by sine v plus 1, we get 1 minus 1 by 1 plus sine v. Okay. This part is v minus integration of 1 by 1 plus sine v equals to integration dx. So v minus, here we will multiply both numerator and denominator with 1 minus sine v. Okay. One minus sine v by 1 minus sine square v. 1 minus sine square v should be written as cos square v. Okay. 1 by cos square v. 1 by cos square v is sec square v. Sec square v minus sine v by cos v, tan v, and 1 by cos v. 1 by cos v is sec v. Okay. Now we will get v minus integration sec square v with respect to v is tan v plus integration sec v tan v with respect to v is sec v equals to x plus c. V should be x plus y because we took x plus y as v. So x plus y minus tan x plus y plus sec x plus y equals to x plus c. X is vanished. So y minus tan x plus y plus sec x plus y equals to c. This is the solution. Okay. Now I'll go to the problem 20. The problem says x plus y divided by dx equals to 1. Okay. So we should write this equation as dy dx equals to 1 by x plus y. Here let us take x plus y as v. So dv dx should be 1 plus dy dx. Okay. So dy dx equals to dv dx minus 1. In star equation we can replace this information. By replacing this information into star equation we get dv dx minus 1 equals to 1 by v. So dv dx equals to 1 by v plus 1. So dv dx equals to 1 plus v by v. So v by 1 plus v into dv equals to dx. Okay. Now we are getting from this equation, we are integrating on both the sides. This is the improper fraction. We should decompose numerator with respect to denominator directly. So we will write 1 plus v minus 1. Okay. So we will divide with 1 plus v. We get 1 minus 1 by 1 plus v equals to integration dx. Okay. Now integration of 1 with respect to v is v minus ln 1 plus v equals to x plus c. We will replace v by x plus y because we took x plus y as v. So x plus y minus ln 1 plus x plus y x plus c. X is vanished, so we get y minus ln x plus y plus 1 equals to c. So this is the solution. Okay.